Hello and welcome everyone. At Beginology today I am going to show you how to use another very interesting mobile app. Previously I have shown how to use Inclinometer app. We will use this app to emit a single frequency sound from our mobile phone to study the behavior of the sound when the source of sound moves or when the observer of the sound moves away from the sound source. This effect was first explained by Austrian scientist Christian Doppler in 1842, and so it is called Doppler effect. If you are teacher of class 11-12 physics, I have linked to this video some great explainer videos suitable for these classes at the end. So stay around. Doppler effect is just as much fun for young students as well, and they can easily use a smartphone to try out on their own. So let's get started. So here I have written pitch maker. I am getting many options. I have taken frequency sound emitter AZ. So I have got this, and here there are different mode. When I put play option, it gives a sound of 6767 Hz. If I can reduce the sound or enhance the sound. I can even go beyond our hearing range. But it's best to keep your sound around 6000 Hz to do the experiment. You can also do that same on the smartphone. In the Play Store, you can write same pitch maker, and you can get many options. Of that, you can take one. I have taken here AZ frequency sound generator. Here also comes in the Hertz. So it gives a sound. You can change the sound in different frequency. Okay. Now when you have done this, a bag and a rope. So bag we should have a zip. So you can start this and put it inside the bag. Zip it on so that it does not fall down, and then you can use a rope and do the action. Pitch change. This we can observe in everyday life. As we stand by the roadside, the bus or the car comes with a horn, and we see the sound comes and moves away, and that is what is Doppler effect. The same principle is applied to detect the motion of stars and planets in the universe through radio telescope. The same Doppler effect works on all waves, whether it is sound or light. This shows us how scientists use everyday phenomenon we see around us to find explanation and deduce new knowledge and understand the world we live in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch out for another video using another mobile app you can use for science experiments in your home. Stay safe, happy teaching and learning.